half is going to go with Victor. Okay, and Ronnie. Ya, jala. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's okay. It doesn't look that very loud.
Would you like to have a rain show that big trip?
Esa es palta.
What we call crazy rain. Give you a look.
Here we are in the middle of the rainforest.
Amazon rainforest, Peru.
You were in it, weren't you?
All of those insects that we can find a forest floor, that's one way how we can keep the population's control of that species, you know.
Is that a male or female?
And this is because has predators, okay? Predators, they can be some runner, insect eaters. Don't move, don't move. Yeah, you see?
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Why is just peel the bark? This is when the locusts come and angusta. You can use as a fan.
Oh,
You know?
thank you.
As a fan, you know, in the rainforest. But as you can see, Cecropia, which is in the fig family, because Cecropias are providing fruits so they can make more profit out of that. So that's why if you want to get some of the pure dragon's blood, you have to get from the locals. If you want to go to Pacaya-Samiria, which is a block full of so this is what we call the light gap or forest gap. And that is when most of these plants get so happy, yeah, you know, start growing fast because they have enough light, you know. And that's what they're getting from the frogs. You know, they dip the dart first, and that little sap or little secretions, I mean the liquids that comes up from the skin of the frog, that is the poisons.
Now, how come it's not trying to jump off and jump away?
You know why? Because he's grabbing his leg. His secretions comes from the skin. Okay, that's what we call a warning colorations, which is one of the famous one. If you see, check on the book, you see the whole page. Season, when the rainy season, that's when they have lake. You can hear they're calling.
Yes.
Their tadpoles are calling their mother back, aren't they, Leslie?
Here, in this part of the rainforest, because, I mean, as you know, those trees keep, I mean, let's see, keep falling and growing because of the birds, mammals are dispersed of the seeds. This is considered the larva.
Oh,
Oh,
you want to put that in my backpack?
No, it's okay, thank you. We
This
use
stuff.
the philodendron ropes to tie those big floating rafts, you know?
Oh, is she? Is it a he or a she?
It looks like hembra matches.
Hembra.
Hembra, this is
How can you tell if it's a girl or a boy? Go by where the stick is. Okay. Can you help me out? I pulled my ankle.
Hello, look.
Who is he?
He's right there. He's leaving, he's going to Brazil.
Oh. Oh, can you get in?
I think so.
You see the red-tailed Charlie?
Oh, now see him, yeah.
Oh yeah, he's going to. This is what we call boa in action.
can they go? Can they go really, really fast?
Not really. This one, no. Not as like a whip snake. Whip snake go really fast.
Now, will he get longer or only fast?
They get longer. This one get like about... How many of those boys we pass by?
Okay. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at the tail. Beautiful.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Whoa.
Val, you should come over here and see him climbing the tree. Yeah. You're the one that wanted to see the snake.
A boa constrictor. It's 2.5 feet long. I caught it. It was rambling through the woods, and I grabbed it, and I caught it.
It's trying to wrap itself around me and scream.
The red light's on.
All right.
Do it again. Hurry up. Go.
Okay. Oh, I was running through the woods, and I came across this boa constrictor, and I grabbed it and caught it. With the help of my friend Juan. Okay, that's it.
Yes,
did you take
with
a
the
picture
help of your friend
Yeah,
Juan.
Leslie, did you take a picture of it?
Okay. Let me go. Let me go. Okay, how do I get out of this now? So I can take a picture. Why isn't it snapping, John?
How many are in the rainforest? Do you know?
Of this? Many.
Many?
Yeah. I mean...
Why isn't it snapping?
Grab it, Paula.
Okay.
Performance.
Very gig.
Yeah.
Muy importante.
Made in China.
Absolutely. Oh. Okay. Why isn't it snapping, John?
A train?
Okay, we're coming, we're coming. Probably.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah.
There we go.
Now, how old is
A ver,
this guy?
ponle ahí en la... He's gonna put right there to be more...
Why doesn't it run away?
It
Which
will.
is the front end?
Yeah,
Is this the front?
because daytime they just keeping it still.
Okay.
When there's a night toad.
Toe or toad?
Toad.
T-O-E-D.
Very cute. Yeah?
Like a leg coming up. I can handle that one, but any other kind of spider that's near me, I am gone.
Where I am right now. See that?
Looks like a squirrel.
Yeah.
Pretty clear. That's a monkey?
Wow, that is tiny.
Okay.
See, you take that tree up, and then the other one down. It's right there.